Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. When I ask parents what their child does in his or her free time, most of them say watches cartoons. Now cartoons we know is a very passive activity. Children naturally learn through play, and it is the responsibility of teachers and parents to provide children with a host of toys, games and manipulatives. There's a lot they will learn through them. So in today's video, I'm going to show you just that. Now here is an image of two puzzle boxes. You get these a lot of puzzles available on various themes and topics. The ones I'm going to show you is based on the theme of objects near an ocean, and the other one is about animals, where children can match the tail and head of the animal together. It's a box with multiple pieces. So here I'm going to share a video of my grandson playing with this puzzle set and matching the animal head with the tail. Take a look.
Okay.
Put it next to the monkey.
Okay, put it next to the monkey.
Put the fish, monkey, turtles, ball, fox, turtle, starfish, puppy, duck, oyster, crackerine.
Colorful magnetic blocks are not only attractive, but they're pretty fascinating for children. These magnetic blocks can be used for construction. You can construct a tower, you could construct a house, you could construct a garage, and just leave it to the child's imagination to do whatever he or she feels like. Always teach children to tidy up after their play, which means they put away everything in the allotted space. Here's an example before you. I'm going to show you another video. There are also magnetic letters and alphabet, numbers of the alphabet and letters which are available, plenty. You can provide these to the children. You can put them on a board or you can put them on the refrigerator. And whilst you are perhaps cooking in the kitchen or doing any work, you could encourage the child to identify the letters and name them. So it's learning through play. And here's another video to prove it.
Where is Z? Show me Z. Yeah, and where is A? Good. Where's D? D. This T. Where's D?
This.
Yeah, good.
Another T.
Yeah, and
H.
H. And
Q.
Q. Good.
X.
Wonderful.
So I hope you enjoyed this little session on the use of games and toys and puzzles for learning, and I will see you in the next video with something more interesting. Thank you.